agenda, how to implement the agenda. Name.com. So guys, 23 candidates are there, and you are the people who going to build a website or the application for yourself. Okay, that is the agenda. So it's like consolidating the 15 years of experience in less number of time. So how to do that? So I have done a lot of R&D on this, and I came with that. Why not to go with this way? Let you guys build your own profile, own portfolio. Okay, that is, I will say, for example, www.mohammadkaf.com. So what will happen? The topic which we are going to cover in this 25 days, it will redirect to this way. Okay. The language which you are going to use it is C#. Technology which we are going to use it is .NET. Okay, so I will say that the platform we are going to use it, Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. Microsoft Visual Studio Professional, I'm using it right now. And 2019, so that's not a problem, but yes, you have to follow some guidelines too, because you are using the higher version and I'm using a lower version, so there should not be a clash while implementing the task. Okay, so I will come to that point, no worry. How to manage that? You guys are going to follow the industrial standard code practice as well, because as I told you guys, it has been almost 15 years. So I'm not only the corporate trainer, I'm also the software developer working in Abu Dhabi, and I knew it how to follow the code as standard practice. You won't believe it, that just to give a name, just to give the name of the variable, we used to discuss 2 hours. Okay, so you will feel like a okay, but guys, believe me, that all the thing is, as I told you guys at the beginning, that when you're journey, right? You're on a journey, basically. You already started the journey of the corporate world, so you're on a journey. So in this, I prefer to have speed is needed, no doubt, but I will say direction is most important than the speed. Okay. So that's the whole concept. This is the reason we used to go with some architecture. We used to follow some design, some writing of way, all the thing. Okay, that's the one. We'll follow that as well when you're going to build it. And if you are good enough, believe me, you will love your website, your own, because you're building your own website. So I'm expecting you guys are going to give more effort. Okay, and inshallah, you guys are going to learn this one. Along with in journey, you will see the SQL as well. I hope, I'm expecting that all of you guys have the SQL as well, right? No surprise when the SQL is going to come. So try to install SQL also in your laptop. That will be great. Okay, because at the end, if you're where you're going to store the data, you're not going to make the static. I hope your company is not hire you for the static website, right? They hire you for the dynamic website, where the client is going to give you the need and the requirement and the deadline, and then you have to build it, right? So without storing somewhere, I hope you're not going to store in an Excel file the data. So please install it. Okay. Now here we are going to decide the framework. This we are going to decide when we are going to implement it. Okay, because this is the most important thing, and if you don't use it properly, which version you have to follow, because Microsoft has given a different version, so we are going to see that as well. So if you are not using the right version for your application, okay, then again it will be disaster. How? I will explain you, and how you're going to choose the right version, that I'm going to explain you as well when this is going to come. But we'll choose the .NET framework as well. So guys, buckle up, and your journey is going to start. Okay. Now the first point is, as everyone has, there are a few people who are having a C# zero knowledge. Okay, that's not a problem for right now, because we are going to start from the scratch itself only. But I am highly recommend you guys to follow me. And at the beginning, I'm giving all the instruction to you guys, just because, as I told you, you have to work hard. So that means you have to follow the instruction. my instruction, believe me, within 25 days, think about guys, within 25 days, I'm consolidating the 15 year of experience. So after 25 days, inshallah, you guys will be like maybe 16, 15 plus experience you will be having. If only condition, huh? If you follow, if you do the hard work. Can you tell me, like I'm a client, okay? I'm giving you all the information to you. So even I need your help. So if I wanted to build the profile, what are the things I should be having in my portfolio? I will, okay, photo of, okay, me, it can be you. Okay. Because you're building for yourself, and short description, right? Okay.
Name, middle name, surname.
I will say that, okay, intro.
Work experience.
Think about like outline. What are the things can be done? So I will say that my intro of myself, correct? So in this one, you have your name, first name. There are plenty of things we are going to break down, huh, guys? It's like, as I told you, that direction is most important than speed. So that means here I'm talking about what you need to pack when you are on a journey. Okay,
Yes.
simple. Okay, it seems like if you wanted to come to Dubai, so what are the things you need to do it? You should know before it, isn't it? Otherwise, you will end up somewhere in the desert. Or I don't think so in a desert. You might be end up in a car somewhere in Mumbai or in your location. So I'm just deciding that what needs to be done. So, and guys, this is like www.com, www.yourname.com it is. So you should feel proud, man. Someone said education, right? No, experience. And what else can be?
Skills. Contact information.
Skills, okay. I say that the contact information comes here only. Intro of myself. Yeah, intro of myself, right? This is intro of myself is different, and the contact information. Can I say the contact? Okay, correct. Contact detail. Contact detail may you will be having your address, your mobile number, everything will be the email ID, right, and all. And what else can be, guys?
Hobbies. Education details.
Education detail. Achievement. Okay. लगता है बहुत अचीव किया हुआ है. Projects detail. One more thing you can see in my writing of way. Okay, you will always find it myself. Like you will find one thing. I'm using a sentence case here always. It's like it's become a habit. Okay, that I'm using the first letter always cap. Believe me, this is a habit. This has become habit. Huh? If I'm not using, you will find me itching. Why I'm not using? Okay, so you'll find me like this always. This is like I'm following the standard practice. Okay, when I was like new as a fresher, I was like a Tarangi guy. Okay, I will say the statement. I'm from that generation. Okay, I had done all the like crazy things, but not recorded anywhere in a social media. Okay. So point is, I used to hate, but then I realized, guys, standard is something which help you to, my definition, I don't know about what people say about the standard. Standard is something which help you to eliminate unwanted thing. Okay. It can be anything or anywhere you can use the standard. So unwanted, unexpected, okay, thing you can avoid if you follow the standard. Okay. So same thing, guys. I'm also, you can check I'm following the standard. When I started, like I'm writing a standard word also, like I started with the S capital. That's the whole concept. Okay. So same thing, guys. Here also you have to follow the standard. Inshallah, like within 25 days, you are going to learn the best standard. Okay. I hope for the best. Okay. So project detail and what else, guys? Let's take client detail.
If someone is using YouTube or any social media.
So can I say blog or what else?
LinkedIn profile.
Social media?
Yeah.
Social media detail. Okay. Because we have to break this into more detail. Okay. And then we have to how to use a platform and how to implement agenda. How to implement the agenda. Main important thing, man, your looks and feel, you're going to represent yourself in the world. Earth, planet. So theme is most important thing. Website theme. And yes, you have the database design also. We'll think about it, but website theme, you're going to choose it. What are the things you have in your CV? Is there anything else missing, or should I stop with the 13?
So I think 13 are enough.
Contactee list is something like people are contacting and you are having the list at the background, like a list of the people who has contacted you. We'll create it once. This is from my side here I'm giving to you because I feel like there are the client who used to call, for example, Jinder sir, and your company has contacted me. So like I had the list of the client. So that's the whole concept. So I'm giving the contact list also. This contact list is different. This contact me, fine for me. In future, if you feel like anything need to be added, please add, I don't mind. But now, let's talk about this issue because we have to build this all the thing. Okay? So what can we do here? Let's talk about that.
Make sure you hold the pen. Make sure not only that you hold the pen, but you write the script from your heart. Be brave when writing your script. It's your story and there are no limits to what you can have,